Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtitrator.com. So our today's question is:
How would your results have differed if the tip of the titrator was not filled with NaOH before the initial volume reading was recorded? Explain your answer. The answer of the question is: if the tip of the titrator was not filled with NaOH before the initial volume reading was recording, the results of the titration would be inaccurate. The air in the tip would need to be displaced first before the NaOH solution could start reacting with the analyte. This would cause the initial volume reading to be too low, and some of titrant volume would be used to fill the tip rather than react with the analyte. As a result, one underestimation of NaOH volume used. The volume recording as being delivered from the burette would be less than the actual volume required to reach the titration endpoint because part of the NaOH solution would have been used to fill the tip. 2. Inaccurate concentration calculation. Since the titration calculation depends on the accurate measurement of the NaOH volume, the underreported volume would lead to errors in calculating the concentration of the analyte, likely resulting in a lower calculated concentration. To avoid this issue, it is important to ensure the tip is completely filled with the titrant and that no air bubbles are present before taking the initial volume reading. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.